Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 7th of July 2025, Nifty index opened on a positive note around 25,430 but witnessed profit booking through the midday, dragging the index to an intraday low of 25,330 marks. However, in the latter part of the day, the index staged an impressive recovery of over 100 points, closing near the day's high. While some pressure is still visible at the higher levels, support remains intact near 25,300. On the daily frame, Nifty formed a hammer candlestick with a pronounced lower shadow, reflecting renewed buying interest from the lower levels and signaling that bulls are unwilling to relinquish control. On the weekly frame, the index formed a bearish candle, yet the extended lower wick suggests that bulls aggressively defended the support levels. India VIX was down by around 0.6% to 12.3 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.93. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,000 to 26,000, while immediate range is in between 25,300 to 25,700 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 581 crores. While DIIs were sellers worth 1,119 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 29%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to cross and hold above 25,500 for an up move towards 25,800. Else weakness could be seen towards 25,300 marks. Bank Nifty needs to hold above 57,000 for an up move towards 57,250 and 57,500, while support can be seen at 56,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in BPCL, Glenmark, Biocon, Ambuja Cement, Infosys, and AB Capital, while some weakness could be seen in Lodha, Sonacoms, Chambal Fertilizers, Bank of Baroda, and Sun Pharma. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.